Yeah.
Hello, this is me, Megan, and Vicky, and we are trying to take down the questionable thing on the
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, this is me, Megan, and Vicky, and we are trying to
Is it coming
take
down?
down the questionable thing
Okay. Okay. What is it? It's a dead bird.
It's definitely some kind of dead thing.
It's not stuck. It didn't even stop the pole from going down.
Look it. Oh, you just roll on your stick, look at it.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god! Oh my god, wait, put it the other way now. Put it the other way now. Ew, feather came down! Okay, it's stuck. Ew, we have to get it down.
Go from the other angle.
Yeah, the other way. Go the other way.
We're so weird.
I know. It's gonna come my way.
Oh my god, it's back to where it was.
It's like stuck.
Wait, let's see the tip of it.
Nothing. Nothing.
Sweet Maggie.
No evidence.
Then you have to use
No,
the other
ew,
side.
it's like, then we can't use that again.
You can. No one will know.
No.
No.
Okay, now, let's give it a
My dad's like watching this.
Really? Where?
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
When I go home.
Let's just try.
Me?
Yeah. I'll try. Yeah, you take it.
My dad's I also don't call it out. Vicky's taller than me.
I can't reach it. What is it? It's not coming. Where is it?
It's
like a part of it.
Where is it?
Ew, I don't know. It went into the thing.
What thing?
I don't know. Okay.
If that thing ever fell on me, I'd kill you.
Ew, ew, ew.
It is a dead bird.
Ew! It's really so cute. Ew! Okay, got to one.
Is that a dead bird?
Yeah.
Ew, it is!
Ew. It's disgusting. Ew. Does it smell?
Yeah.
No.
Ew, it is!
Sorry, we're back. What just came down? I think it's the part that's stuck. Yeah.
No, Vic, don't push it back. Keep, like, picking at the other part that's stuck.
This part?
No, the other part. Oh, whatever.
This part?
No, go to the other side. Yeah. Vic, move over, like, toward us.
Leo.
The bird's gonna come out and be like, what happened? Let's give up.
Disgusting. Yeah, let's just give up.
Yeah, I don't want this. What the hell? Ew, that dead bird is disgusting.
Ew, I know.
Ew, it's definitely a dead bird.
It definitely is. Like, it has feathers on it.
It has like a wing, like one wing.